Coinrule versus TradeSanta Usage Experience. In this video, I'll compare Coinrule and TradeSanta, two popular crypto trading automation platforms. You'll find links to both products in the description for easy access. These platforms cater to different types of users, so let's break down their features, who they're made for, and how they stack up. Coinrule is a rule-based automation platform designed primarily for beginners and intermediate traders. Its intuitive, no-code interface makes it easy to set up custom trading strategies using pre-designed templates. You can implement rules based on market conditions, price triggers, or technical indicators, which are perfect for traders who want to simplify their approach. Coinrule supports a range of major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, offering backtesting, real-time tracking, and responsive customer support. Its primary appeal lies in providing a seamless way for users to automate strategies without coding knowledge, making it ideal for those looking for simplicity and control. TradeSanta, on the other hand, focuses on bot-driven trading and caters to users who want to harness grid and DCA, dollar-cost averaging bots. Its interface is also beginner-friendly, but it emphasizes rapid deployment with pre-configured bot templates for various strategies. TradeSanta's standout features include its ability to execute multiple bots simultaneously, a robust analytics dashboard, and integration with a broad range of exchanges like Binance, Huobi, and Bitfinex. It's especially popular among traders looking for tools tailored to active and frequent trading. Pricing is another key difference. Coinrule offers tiered subscription plans based on the number of rules and exchanges you can use, which makes it predictable for setting up and scaling automated strategies. TradeSanta's pricing is competitive, with plans based on the number of active bots, making it more suited for traders who want to run multiple bots simultaneously. In summary, choose Coinrule if you value simplicity and rule-based strategies. Opt for TradeSanta if you're focused on bot-driven trading and want more flexibility in deploying multiple strategies at once. Links are in the description, so check them out to decide which one fits your trading needs best.